Hello dear students. In this learning video, we will see easiest way to remember the chemical structure of chlorpropamide. The link for Telegram group is available in chat box. So just click on that and join the Telegram channel for second year diploma pharmacy study material. The learning outcomes. At the end of this learning video, you will be able to draw chemical structure of chlorpropamide and you will be able to remember the chemical structure of chlorpropamide. Chlorpropamide is a oral hypoglycemic agent, or it is also called as anti-diabetic medication. The anti-diabetic medications or oral hypoglycemic agents are the drugs which are used in the treatment of diabetes mellitus by changing or altering the blood glucose level. You know very well that if you want to remember or draw the chemical structure, first thing you must know its chemical class. So the classification of oral hypoglycemic agents is as follows. And from the classification, you will come to know that the class of chlorpropamide is sulfonylureas. So remember, the chlorpropamide is an example of sulfonylurea class. Sulfonylureas. It is chemically related to the sulfonamides, but they have no antibacterial activity. Sulfonyl plus urea means it contains the aryl sulfone groups. Aryl means benzene ring with the sulfone functional group like this. And in addition to that, it is containing the urea molecules, and this is the structure of urea. So when aryl sulfone groups is attached with urea molecule, it will form the sulfonylurea. So aryl means benzene ring, sulfonyl group that is SO2, and the urea NHC double bond O NH2 is the urea. So this is the structure of sulfonylurea derivative. Chlorpropamide is an example of sulfonylurea derivatives, which is structurally contains aryl sulfonyl group with urea molecules. So this is the basic structural backbone of structure of chlorpropamide, that is aryl sulfonyl urea. If you remember this portion of the structure, definitely it will be help you to remember the chemical structure of chlorpropamide. So let's see how to remember the chemical structure of chlorpropamide. Now I am going to share a very interesting tricks to remember the structure of chlorpropamide. You have to just break down this word chlorpropamide into three different words such as chlor, prop, amide. From the classification, you come to know that the chlorpropamide is an example of sulfonylurea derivative. That is, it is containing aryl sulfone plus urea, and structure of this aryl sulfone urea is like this. Now the amide portion is over. Now next portion is prop. Prop stands for propyl group, which is attached to the urea molecule, or you can say the propyl group is attached to at the end of urea like this. See here, this is the propyl group which is attached at the terminal nitrogen atom of urea molecule. Now what is remaining? Chlor. In chemistry, the chlor stands for chloro. So chlorine group is attached at the fourth position of the aryl ring, or you can say the para position of the phenyl ring like this. And here the structure of chlorpropamide is constructed. So it is very easy to remember the structure of chlorpropamide. This is the final structure of chlorpropamide. So you can start the numbering from this carbon atom: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So chlorine at 4 number position on the benzene. This is sulfonamide, this is carbamyl, and this is propyl group. So chemical name of chlorpropamide is 4-chloro N in bracket propyl carbamyl benzene sulfonamide. So in this video, we have seen how to remember the chemical structure of chlorpropamide. So first, you must know its chemical class. That is, chlorpropamide is a sulfonyl urea derivatives. Then, how to remember the structure of sulfonyl urea? Sulfonyl urea contain aryl sulfonyl group with urea, like this. Then, from the name of drug itself, it gives some hint about the functional groups or some of the groups which are present within the structure. So chlor stands for the chlorine group, which is present at 4th position of phenyl ring. And then prop, which stands for propyl group, which is attached at the end of your amide, or you can say it will attach at the terminal nitrogen atom of urea. So this is how you can able to remember the structure of chlorpropamide. Thank you for watching the video. Happy learning.